In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a birthday on Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a surprise party or simply want to keep track of important birthdays, adding them to your Google Calendar can make managing your schedule much easier. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your Google account to get started. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a list of calendars. Here, you should ensure that the checkbox next to birthdays is checked. This step is crucial because it allows your calendar to display birthdays from your contacts automatically. Next, you'll need to hop over to contacts.google.com. This is the companion site to Google Calendar where you can manage and add new contacts, including their birthdays. On this page, look for the Create Contact button. Clicking this will give you the option to enter new contact information. Here, go ahead and click on Create a Contact to get started with inputting your information. Once you've clicked through, you will be prompted to enter the first and last name of your contact. This part is straightforward, simply type in the person's full name. After that, you'll want to highlight the entry to load additional fields. This includes a vital field at the bottom related to birthdays. Now scroll down until you find the birthday section. Here's where you can enter the specifics of the birthday, including the month, day, and year. If you don't know the exact birth year, you can skip the year and just input the day and month. It's flexible depending on what information you have at hand. After filling that out, be sure to click Save. This saves your new contact and ensures that their birthday information is stored. Once saved, go back to your Google Calendar. It's important to refresh the page to see any newly added birthdays. After the refresh, scroll through your calendar. You should now see your contact's birthday displayed. It's a useful way to keep track of these special dates and make sure you don't miss the chance to celebrate or extend well wishes. And that's it. You've successfully added a birthday to your Google Calendar. This simple process, once integrated as part of your routine, can significantly enhance how you manage your time and maintain your personal connections. Thanks for following along, and happy event planning.